Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. This video today is going to be like a review and unboxing video of some new lashes that I actually received, and they are definitely affordable. You guys know how I am about affordable options here on my channel, so you definitely don't want to miss it. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come over and join the family. I really do appreciate it. If you are already one of my angels, you guys know I love you so much, and without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Okay angels, so first and foremost I want to go over to the clip actually unboxing these lashes with you guys, just showing you guys what these lashes look like and what can you actually expect when you receive your package. These lashes that I received is from a company called Falsies. Falsies, which is a really cute name. So let's just dive over to that clip now before we get into all the details. Okay angels, so Falsies actually sent me out 4 different pairs of lashes. I had 2 pairs that was actually from their miraculous Mink collection. I'm actually wearing 1 pair of them now. What's interesting is that on the boxes I didn't see any type of name on here. It just tells you that these are Falsies and these are miraculous Mink. But when you go on their website, they actually have different options that you could choose from for the miraculous Mink collection. There's the Beverly Hills, the Hollywood Starlet, the New York City, the Rancho Santa Fe, and the Rodeo Drive. But it's like, how would you know which ones that you're getting if it doesn't have a label on them? So that's definitely something that I would suggest for Falsies, is to definitely label the lashes with different names, because I know I'm always looking for a particular lash. I always know what my favorite lash name is, like, so definitely label them. And these are from their silk collection. I have not tried these on yet, but looking at them, I actually opened them up and everything. I can tell that they are really good quality. They are not the Mink lashes, guys, but they are very good. So what I can tell you about these silk lashes is that they are very soft to the touch. The band that the lash is actually on is very nicely secure. I don't see any lashes flying off. That's something that I definitely pay attention to. Are the lashes actually staying on the band? Are my lashes falling out? Like, some brands, your lashes will be falling like into your eyes. I know the Mink lashes are really good. I've been wearing this pair and I've been wearing the other pair a lot too, so I will definitely insert a video of me rocking the other pair, because I actually wore the other pair of miraculous Mink lashes for my birthday and everybody thought I had on individual lashes. Like, when you get the individual lash extensions, everybody thought I had individual lashes. They was like, oh my god Alicia, I love your lashes, like, where did you get them from? I'm like, girl, Falsies. Like, they like, what? I'm like, yeah, and they're affordable, because if you guys know, most Mink lashes start at $20, some $30 and up, so it really do varies. This company with Falsies, they actually charge $14.99 for their miraculous Mink lashes, which is very affordable, and $12.99 for the silk lashes. Also, I will leave a coupon code for you guys If you use my coupon code ANGELS22, I will leave it on the screen here, you can actually save money on your purchase. So make sure you guys go over and get you some lashes. So when you go on the website is actually going to be www.fancyfalsies.com. You're going to see that this company actually offers different things. You're going to see wigs, you're going to see lashes. They also have a really awesome ambassadors program. If you are an influencer or a creator, definitely go and apply if you love lashes, you love hair and stuff like that. Also, what I thought was really cool and different about Fancy Falsies is that they have a lash subscription program, and that's something that you don't really see often. So there's different subscriptions on the website where you can get vegan lashes, you can get the miraculous mink lashes. So actually you're saving yourself money each month. But what's really cool is like lashes is something that you must keep in your collection of things. Like, so if you join the subscription, then you can actually save money, and then you'll know for a fact that every month you're getting a pair of lashes. Like guaranteed, you're going to use them and you're going to need them. So I'm definitely digging this company, Fancy Falsies. The only thing that I would suggest is that they make sure that there's some type of label in here, even if it's here, and it just says Santa Fe or whatever the names is, Rodeo Drive, something, so you know exactly what lash you're putting on. That's something that's very important to us in the beauty community. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Okay guys, so as you can see, these lashes are absolutely bomb. I'm wearing them now, so don't think that I haven't been wearing them. And I've been wearing them long enough to tell you that they do fit comfortably. They are very secure and strong. They're not like really flimsy, like the hairs are hanging in there. I've been brushing them, I've been doing all kinds of things with them, and I have not been getting no shedding out of these lashes. I have not been getting no shedding, so thumbs up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to use the code ANGELS22 to save money off the website. Always check down below in the description. The description is your best friend. This is where I will put all of the links to all of the information that I'm giving you in all of my videos. So go down below in the description and you will find the link for you to be able to purchase these lashes. You will also be able to find a coupon code for those of you who are visual. And that's pretty much the end of this video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.